Chainless bicycles utilize an advanced shaft drive mechanism to transmit power from the pedals to the rear wheel. This innovative design replaces traditional chains with enclosed gears, ensuring a smoother, cleaner, and more durable operation. Governors are mechanical devices used to regulate the speed of engines by controlling fuel or steam input. They maintain a constant speed under varying loads, ensuring stability and efficiency in industrial and automotive applications. The Karl Benz engine, the world's first practical internal combustion engine, revolutionized transportation. Powered by a single-cylinder, four-stroke mechanism, it laid the foundation for modern automotive engineering and innovation. A mechanical can crusher uses a lever and linkage system to efficiently compress aluminum cans, reducing their size for recycling. It's a simple yet effective mechanism for waste management. The cable wrapping mechanism is designed to wind cables neatly and efficiently onto spools. It utilizes synchronized rotating components to ensure uniform tension and precise layering, essential for industrial and electrical applications. The box transport mechanism uses conveyors, rollers, or automated linkages to move boxes efficiently across assembly lines. It ensures smooth, precise, and reliable handling in packaging and logistics operations. The water Superbike is a high-performance aquatic vehicle that combines motorcycle dynamics with a jet propulsion system, delivering speed, agility, and an exhilarating ride on water. The steam train locomotive engine operates using a steam-powered piston mechanism. Water is heated in a boiler to produce steam, which drives pistons connected to the wheels, enabling the locomotive to generate motion and pull heavy loads efficiently over long distances. The gear reducer with extreme reduction ratios demonstrates the precision of mechanical engineering. Each gear stage slows the rotation, resulting in the final gear turning only once in 100 years, showcasing durability and efficiency in motion control. The 1938 razor blade sharpener is a compact mechanical device designed to extend the life of blades. It uses a rotating mechanism to restore sharpness, offering a cost-effective and sustainable grooming solution. The rocker arm is a crucial component in internal combustion engines. It transfers motion from the camshaft to the valves, ensuring precise opening and closing for efficient fuel intake and exhaust, critical for engine performance. The Geneva Mechanism is a precise indexing device that converts continuous motion into intermittent rotation. Widely used in watches and film projectors, it ensures accurate and controlled movements in mechanical systems. Elliptical gears are non-circular gears designed to produce variable speed and torque during rotation. Their unique shape is ideal for applications requiring non-uniform motion, such as textile machinery and robotics. The flame-eating engine, also known as the vacuum or flame liquor engine, operates by creating a vacuum when a flame is drawn into the cylinder. This simple yet fascinating mechanism showcases the principles of early external combustion engines. Power generation using speed breakers is an innovative mechanism that converts kinetic energy from vehicles into electrical energy. When vehicles pass over the speed breaker, a mechanical system activates a generator, producing sustainable power for local use. The homemade power hacksaw is a compact, motorized cutting tool designed for efficiency. It uses a simple crank and slider mechanism to convert rotary motion into linear cutting action, making it ideal for DIY projects. Fidget gears are miniature mechanical models that demonstrate gear interactions. They serve as educational tools and stress relief toys, showcasing smooth and engaging motion. An active ball joint based on spherical gears enables multi-directional movement with precision. This advanced mechanism is used in robotics and automation, offering high flexibility and control for tasks requiring dynamic range of motion. Now, the single-cylinder dual-piston steam engine uses two pistons in one cylinder to harness steam power efficiently. This design improves balance and performance, making it ideal for compact and specialized applications. The triple pendulum mechanism is a complex system of 3 interconnected pendulums, demonstrating chaotic motion. It is widely studied in physics and engineering to understand dynamic systems and nonlinear behavior. Gearless transmission uses advanced mechanisms like linkages or traction drives to transmit power without traditional gears. This innovative design reduces friction, noise, and maintenance, making it ideal for modern, efficient vehicles and machinery. A self-centering mechanism ensures precise alignment of components by automatically returning them to a central position. It is widely used in machining, clamping systems, and steering mechanisms for accuracy and stability. The variable inline vane damper regulates airflow by adjusting the position of vanes. Its flexible design allows for precise control, making it essential in HVAC systems and industrial ventilation for efficiency and comfort. The Bevel gear clutch combines bevel gears and a clutch mechanism to transmit power at an angle while allowing engagement and disengagement. It's commonly used in automotive and industrial applications for efficient torque transfer. The shuttle iris mechanism uses overlapping leaves to create adjustable openings. It is commonly found in cameras and optical devices, allowing precise control of light and aperture size. The car wiper mechanism uses a motor and a linkage system to convert rotary motion into an oscillating motion, ensuring effective cleaning of the windshield. The horizontal mill steam engine uses steam pressure to drive a horizontal piston, converting thermal energy into mechanical work. It was widely used in industries during the steam era for efficient power generation. The automatic dustbin iris mechanism uses overlapping blades to create a responsive opening and closing system. It ensures hygienic waste disposal by operating seamlessly with sensors or manual triggers. This intriguing mechanism challenges conventional understanding with its unique operation. Observe carefully, analyze the motion, and consider the principles behind it. Can you figure out how it's possible? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The Torsen Differential uses helical gears to distribute torque dynamically between wheels. It ensures optimal traction and stability, especially in challenging driving conditions. Non-circular gears are uniquely shaped to produce variable speed and torque during operation. They are used in applications requiring non-uniform motion, such as printing presses, textile machinery, and robotics, for precise and efficient performance. The helical wind turbines use a spiral blade design to capture wind from any direction. Their efficient and compact structure makes them ideal for urban and residential renewable energy solutions. The square hole tool mechanism uses a rotating drill combined with a specialized guide to cut square holes. This innovative design is achieved through synchronized motion, making it ideal for woodworking and metalworking applications. The screen printing machine uses a mesh stencil and a squeegee to transfer ink onto surfaces. This versatile mechanism is widely used for printing on textiles, ceramics, and promotional items, with precision and efficiency. The handrail car operates using a simple lever mechanism. By pumping the lever, the user generates reciprocal motion, which drives the wheels. It's a classic design used for transportation and maintenance on rail tracks. The toggle press clamp uses a lever and linkage system to achieve high clamping force with minimal effort. It is commonly used in machining and assembly processes for secure and reliable holding. The open-close mechanism for shops utilizes interconnected gears and a linkage system to display dynamic signage. As the gears rotate, the mechanism smoothly transitions between open and closed, offering a visually engaging and functional design for businesses.